If Kennedy would not have been assassinated that day, Johnson would have been removed from the ticket as vice president. Johnson's political career would have been over. He would have been a ruined man with the possibility of facing prison charges. Before Air Force One left the ground, Johnson was sworn in as president. As Johnson turns and smiles at Albert Thomas, Thomas winks at Johnson. Jackie Kennedy was in total shock, when at the same time, Lady Bird Johnson was all smiles.